I think fundamental rights and DPSP. There's a lot of overlaps, and then I've seen some questions in fundamental rights chapter also. They get interconnected. How do you see, from PT point of view, which areas that we kind of see those overlap or juxtaposition of the two?
So they both are connected, and though there is a difference in terms of the legality, in terms of the enforceability, however, the courts have used the DPSP and in terms of interpretation in context of, let's say, if I give you the example in terms of right to life, Article 21. To expand it, they have used DPSP, that is right to livelihood, right to clean environment, right to education, all have come from the DPSP itself into the Article 21. So they are very much correlated, and the student needs to understand this thing, that the ultimate goals are the DPSP, the FRs are only means to achieve the final answer.
So I think if they dovetail, I understand the dovetail. I mean, they fit well. But then if they clash, if there is a contradiction, how does one go about it? I mean, do we have something to learn from PT perspective for this?
Particularly, sir, in the, let's say, if we directly land up into the harmony and balance, that is the FR and the DPSP, there's a balance, and this balance is a basic structure. So we cannot say that DPSP is on top or the FR is on top, though there was a fight in the starting in terms of which is, let's say, which has more importance. But finally, in terms of particularly for the PT, we need to understand there's a harmony and balance between the two. And particularly, this has been brought in Minerva Mills case, 1980.
Can you identify some articles which is where the student should be careful about these fundamental right and DPSP?
Sir, in terms of the relation, when I say particularly 31 capital C, when I say that is talking about 39 BC when it comes, and then Article 14 and 19 are going out. So that shows that there are certain articles which are mentioned inside the fundamental right, which shows DPSP upar hai. However, overall, it is not so. So that's a specific article which I have mentioned. So 39 B and C, and that's in context of Article 31 capital C.
All right. That was added by a subsequent amendment. It's not the
Yes.
original part of the Constitution which was adopted.